this is, कोई तो है जो निजाम हस्ती चला रहा है. Someone is there who is running this whole show. That is only Shiva. See how simple it is. We are not talking about the definition of Shiva, whether he is Jatadhari, whether he has Trishul, whether Ganga flows over his this, whether he is sitting on the Kailasha, what he is wearing, is he a greatest tapasvi? Not going into all those things. Is he having the Ardha Chandra? Is he Ardha Nareshwara? Not any of these concepts. We are simply going into the source of all these concepts. So we are simply saying in one line, वही तो है जो निजामे हस्ती चला रहा है, वही खुदा है, वही शिवा है. Somebody is there who's running the whole show in this Pindanda, in this Brahmanda, microcosm, macrocosm. That one is only Shiva. Meditation is strict on Shiva.
वही शिवा है, दिखाई भी जो न दे, नजर भी जो आ रहा है, वही खुदा है, वही खुदा है, वही खुदा है, वही खुदा है. कोई तो है जो निज़ामे हस्ती चला रहा है, वही शिवा है, दिखाई भी जो न दे, नजर भी जो आ रहा है, वही शिवा है, वही शिवा है, वही शिवा है, वही शिवा है.
इस तरह दिखाई भी जो दे और नजर भी जो ना आए, वही शिवा है. So I used to sing, sit in that Arunachala hill and just look at everything. वो दिखाई भी दे रहा है, हिल वही तो है शिवा, और दिखाई भी नहीं भी दे रहा है. All the invisible we see in Arunachala. There are so many astral yogis, astral beings. The whole hill also is invisible in one way. The aura of that, awareness of that, वो कहाँ दिखाई देता है? तो दिखाई भी दे और जो नजर भी ना आए, वही शिवा है. Both in duality, in non-duality, he exists. Then it says,
नजर भी रखे है, समाते भी वो जान लेता
नजर भी रखे और समाते भी, वो जान लेता है नियते भी। He listens, he knows and he knows your intentions also. नियत भी जान लेता है, नजर भी रखता है। He keeps a watch on you. Now where is that he who keeps a watch? Think about it. Is it somebody who is keeping a watch on what I do? मैं जो कर रहा हूँ? नहीं, it is my own awareness. चित्रगुप्त मेरे भीतर ही है। चित्रगुप्त हर एक चीज जो मैं कर रहा हूँ उसको नोट करता है। वही तो कर्म बनता है, वही तो संचित, वही तो प्रारब्ध बनता है। यही चित्रगुप्त को ये बोल रहे हैं कि डिवाइन विल, बोलते हैं ना, वही लिख रहे हैं। उपदेशारम वर्स 1, he writes your destiny, not me. Normally the idea is I am the creator of my own destiny. It starts that way. शुरू होता है वैसे। जब I is very strong, I will say I am the creator. I only create, and that's good. योग वशिष्ठ में वशिष्ठ महामुनि is telling Ram that you start putting efforts. You become the creator. नहीं तो आलस की वजह से आदमी करेगा नहीं कुछ। Why Krishna also is telling karma karo. Shiva also is telling do karma. But then he is telling once you get a grip of it, give up karma. Kartapad छोड़ो. First become the creator. As you become the creator and have command over life, धीरे धीरे आपको पता चलेगा असली क्रिएटर कोई और है। That is this. So in the start, when you say I am the creator, उस समय में ये सब ठीक है। कोई तो नजर रख रहा है, शिव हमको देख रहा है, He is watching, भगवान है, वो सब कुछ देख लेता है। It's all in the starting phase. As you mature, you'll understand. मैं ही हूँ, my awareness, my consciousness knows everything that I do. Everybody's consciousness knows what they do. Collectively, there is a cosmic force that knows what the collective universe is doing. That is how the whole thing functions. It is not an entity God, not a person, not an individuality. It is simply Chaitanya, self-awareness. So वही है, नजर भी रखे, समाते भी, वो जान लेता है नियते भी। That's what I'm saying. If you are highly aware, you will simply know what your intention is. Why do you need a God to tell you what is your intention? शुद्ध भावना। मन जब करता है, ईगो जब करता है, वो बोलता है कि मेरा भावना शुद्ध है। I am pure intention. आप किसको भी देखो, सब वही बात करते हैं। भाव रे, सब कुछ भाव रे बोलते हैं। जो करने का है सब कर लेते हैं, फिर बोलते भाव देखो यार। अब वो मन से बोल रहे हैं, भाव जताया नहीं जाता। इट कैनॉट बी टोल्ड। भाव इज नोन। यू नो व्हाट यू डू। दैट इज अवेयरनेस। दैट इज व्हाट वी आर टेलिंग।
नजर भी रखे है, समाते भी, वो जान लेता है नियते भी, जो खाना है लाशूर में जगमगा
खाना ये लाशऊर में जगमगा रहा है। The सो डीप, यू नो, ये सूफी शब्द है। जो खाना ये लाशऊर मीन्स द अनकॉन्शियस रेल्म, सबकॉन्शियस के पीछे जो अनकॉन्शियस है, यू नो अनकॉन्शियस, अनकॉन्शियस इज महाकाली। महाकाली वहीं से सब निकलता है। भयानक लगता है, हमारे अनकॉन्शियस में हमने झांका नहीं अभी तक। इफ यू गो इनटू अनकॉन्शियस यू कैन गो क्रेजी। है फियर्स, गोस्ट्स, भूत प्रेत, इज ऑल ऑफ द अनकॉन्शियस लेयर्स। मिस्टीरियस, मिस्ट्रीज होते हैं, रहस्यमयी, उसको अनकॉन्शियस बोलते हैं। आपने देखा होगा समुद्र, डीप सी, अभी वो फिश एक आया था ना, बिग न्यूज, दैट स्मॉल फिश व्हिच केम एंड डाइड, उसका नाम भूल गया मैं। दैट फिश लिव्स इन पिच डार्कनेस। ऐसा समुद्र तट पे है। देयर आर डीप सीक्रेट्स इन द ओशन। वो कहते हैं कि बाहर का जो स्पेस का मिस्ट्री से ज्यादा मिस्टीरियस ओशन होता है। अनएक्सप्लोर्ड ओशन बोलते हैं, नोबडी हैज गॉन देयर इट। उसमें ऐसे ऐसे जीव जंतु है, ऐसे ऐसे प्राणी है, सोच भी नहीं सकते। उसमें से एक वो मछली आया था the other day, that fish came which died, huge teeth and all that. So देखो, ग्रॉस वर्ल्ड में भी है ऐसा, सूक्ष्म वर्ल्ड में भी है ऐसा, अनकॉन्शियस, अनडिस्कवर्ड। एंड दीज थिंग्स, जो हम जीव जंतु, ये प्राणी देखते हैं ना, ये सब वही है। लोअर रेल्म्स जो हम बोलते हैं, पाताल, विताल, सुतल, अतल, वितल, वो जो भी है नीचे के, इन ऑल दोज लोकस, क्रॉस क्रीचर्स, इसके चैतन्य ना के बराबर है। They live there. Disembodied beings, भयानक दिखने वाले। What is all that? Absolute gross consciousness. तो ऐसे समुद्र के नीचे भी है, ऐसे हमारे मन में भी होता है, हमारे बींग में भी है एक जगत जो खाना है लाशऊर में, अनकॉन्शियस, दैट इज महाकाली। इसलिए काली भयानक लगती है, डर लगता है, बिकॉज शी हाइड्स द मिस्ट्रीज। या एंगलर फिश, शी हाइड्स द मिस्ट्रीज। उसमें जो रोशनी है वो शिवा है। अल्टीमेट, दिस इज लाइक वेदास, उपनिषद, सूफी गाना है, क्योंकि उस अंधकार में भी रोशनी है। I'll explain that. It's not a physical light. Let me finish this.
नज़र भी रखे हैं, समाते भी, वो जान लेता है नियते भी। जो खाना है लाशऊर में जगमगा रहा है, वही शिवा है, वही शिवा है, वही शिवा है, वही शिवा है।
ब्रह्मांड में देखो, इफ यू लुक एट द होल यूनिवर्स, इट्स ब्लैक, लाइट नहीं है जैसा दिखता है। लेकिन कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जब आता है वो चमकता है। until an object come there is no light. It doesn't illuminate itself. तो दिखने को ऐसा ब्रह्मांड पूरा अंधकार दिखता है, लेकिन अंधकार है नहीं, उसमें सूरज की रोशनी है. There is sunlight even in the darkest universe. लेकिन अंधकार क्यों दिखता है? Why does it look black? Because there is no object to shine. So now look at this phenomenon. When Shiva is all around and there is no object, that is no Shakti, nothing to reflect it, अंधकार ही दिखता है. That is Mahakal. Kal Bhairav, beyond space and time. That space has nothing to reflect. उसको कुछ है नहीं रिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए. Only जब चित्त और सत सेपरेट होता है, you know, if this is light, these are both together light. When this separates, चित्त, इसकी रोशनी इस पर गिरता है, प्रकाश, on this Shakti, and it reflects back. It is like a mirror. So Shiva is seeing his own reflection through this. It's like a mirror. आप आईना फेस के सामने रखो, you bring it on a distance, you can see yourself. You can see your own reflection. So you have an experience only when there is a distance. आईने को दूर रखो, distance. You begin your experience. You see yourself in that, and you look at your own beauty or whatever, your own expression. You are able to understand who am I. I cannot know myself without this mirror. Shiva, to know himself, he needs the Shakti. Are you getting it? So I reflect through my other half, and I have a Vimarsha. That is Vimarshini. That's why it's called Vimarshini. Mahishasur Mardini में है ना word Vimarshini. She is the Vimarshini. She is the reflector. So when we are together, there is no reflection. Only when there is a distance, इसको द्वैत बोलते हैं, separation, duality आ गया. और देखो यहाँ से, when we are together, no time, space, distance. ये महाकाल की अवस्था है. No time, no space, no distance. कहाँ है distance? Separation हो गया, distance आ गया. Distance आ गया, काल आ गया. Time आ गया. Now see, to reach, move from here to here, time लगता है. Space है इसके बीच में. Distance और time भी आ गया. Time, space, distance, तीन चीज आ गया इस दूरी में. 3D, 3-dimensional हो गया. But if it is together, Advait, nothing. Time भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, सब here. That is Mahakal, Bhairav Sthiti. Kal Bhairav, beyond time who goes. So, इतना simple ही है. Only this separation is the cause of everything. आप कहीं भी reflect कर लो, you do it here in your life or you take it in the microcosm. ब्रह्मांड में आप ले लो. Only when there is separation, सृष्टि आ जाती है. नहीं है, there is no creation. When you are sleeping, you are one. Your mirror is with you. When you wake up, the mirror comes out, and you start reflecting through that. So you are basically looking at your own reflection. बोलते हैं ना, the world is your reflection. Whatever you are, you see in the world. This is the exact meaning. It reflects back to you. You see good, you get good. Okay? So this is so beautiful. जो खाना इला शऊर में जगमगा रहा है. In that darkness which shines. See, in the universe there is a sunlight. It is always there, but there is no object. इसलिए कुछ दिखता नहीं है. इसलिए हम बोलते कुछ नहीं है. In the sleep there is no object. There is no conscious. There is no mind. माइंड में थॉट्स नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सब ब्लैंक हो गया. इसके लिए रिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए. बट लाइट इज देयर. इट इज ओनली व्हेन दीज थिंग्स वेक अप. ये जब उड़ जाता है तब लाइट गिरता है उसमें. एंड देन देयर इज एन एक्सपीरियंस. दैट उठता क्या है? दैट इज ईगो. दैट इज व्हाट कीप राइजिंग. सो सी, दिस इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. इन दैट डार्कनेस व्हिच शाइन्स, दैट इज शिवा. While you sleep, something that is shining. That is how you know I slept well. सुबह जब आप उठते हो ना, and you say deep sleep, हाँ very restful, बहुत अच्छा sleep हो गया. आपको कैसे मालूम sleep हुआ है? How do you know that you have slept well? जो खाना है लाशऊर में जगमगा रहा है, वो जगमगाने वाला एक तत्व है, लाइट है, that awareness. वो अभी ज्यादा, it's not powerful. शिव पूरा जागृत नहीं है यहाँ पे, इसलिए हमको याद नहीं आता. We are trying to activate that Shiva, which is the Tirovbhava nature. I told right, पंचकृत्य में शिवा forgetfully, जानबूझ के अपने आप को भूल जाने के, मतलब he surrenders to the ego, to Shakti. Same. He says you carry on, Shakti, my dear Shakti. And when Shakti takes over, she goes on creating. शिव तत्व कम होते जाता है. Shakti goes on growing. So that is ego. Ego grows and Shiva becomes small. तो मैं बड़ा हो गया, मैं ये हो गया. अब मैं यहाँ बैठ के I am saying where is Shiva? If I start contemplating, where am I? Where is Shiva? People will say it is here, or it is here. अंगुष्ठ मात्र, इतना ही है, एक छोटा सा ज्योति. शिव को इतना बना दिया. He has become that small because I has grown bigger. Shakti has grown bigger. The day it activates, हमारा journey starts returning due to अनुग्रह शक्ति. डोज मिलते लगते ना शक्तिपात. This starts growing. This flame starts now expanding. Now वापस reverse journey. This starts increasing. Ego starts shrinking. जिस दिन this becomes full, that is Shiva. That state. So right now वो अंधकार वगैरह हम जो बोल रहे हैं, light is there, but it is due to ignorance. We are not able to see that. So we are simply, by awakening awareness again and again, we are simply awakening the Shivainess. और secret बात ये है, there is nothing to do. क्वेश्चन विल कम, अब कैसे करें, शिव को कैसे जल्दी जागृत करें, तीव्रता से कैसे? कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि आपके हाथ में है ही नहीं. इट इज नॉट इन योर हैंड. यू हैव कम टू स्पिरिचुअलिटी टिल हियर. व्हाट डिड यू डू? व्हाट डिड वी डू? वी फील वी डिड. वी डोंट इवन नो व्हेन वी एंटर्ड स्पिरिचुअलिटी. प्रिसाइज डेट वी डोंट नो, प्रिसाइज टाइम वी डोंट नो. वी जस्ट हैपन टू बी. थिंक अबाउट इट. You might say 1 or 2 incidents, but you do not know the exact time. You do not know the exact reason why you entered into spirituality. What made you spiritual? You simply started walking, right? आज तक चलते हैं यार. Simply we are walking. What are we doing? If you investigate, you will see we are doing nothing. If you see carefully, you will see life is simply unfolding on its own. The day we realize that life is unfolding on its own, we will give up the doing. And I'm telling it is such a relief. It's a big relief. And I'm telling you, after that life is very easy. But we choose to make it complicated because the I want to be in control. That's where the whole thing is. I want to be in control. I want to work out my own salvation. मुझे मुक्ति प्राप्त करना है. इसलिए रमणा कह रहे हैं आप ऑलरेडी मुक्त हो. रमणा is telling you cannot work on a self-realization. You are already realized. You simply drop the ignorance that you are holding, that you are not realized. ये भ्रांति जो आपने पकड़ रखा है कि अभी भी मैं अंधकार में हूं. मैं अंधकार में नहीं हूं. मैंने केवल मन को छोड़ा नहीं. I have not dropped my mind, nor I am interested to drop my mind. I want to hold on to that. I want to keep claiming. I want to prove that I exist. In my existence there is meaning. मैं जितना अपने अहम को मैं प्रबल करूं, उतना मुझे लगता है कि लाइफ है. So that is where the suffering coming from. But if the mind is dropped and And if you go into that state, which Gurudev used to say so many times, जिस विधि राखे उस विधि रहिए, जो शिवाज्ञा, तेरी रजा में मेरी रजा, everything is solved. Even साधना की जरूरत नहीं है, सत्य कह रहा हूँ, कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ उपदेश सारम वर्स 1, if you get it, you are done. Spirituality खत्म है. If you don't get point 1, अगर आप पूरा स्वीकृति नहीं है, if you don't accept, हाँ वही करता है मेरा कुछ नहीं, if you don't accept, then you need second. First 2 you don't accept, then you need third. First 3 you don't accept, then you need fourth. ऐसे करते करते you will have to go till 30. जितना जल्दी समझ जाओगे आपका यात्रा उतना जल्दी खत्म. That's how mysterious this उपदेश सारम is. So he is that light that is making you are smiling, you are drooling, you are listening, you are feeling tired, you are feeling happy, you are feeling illumined. Don't look at who's becoming illumined. Don't look at who's becoming tired. Find out by what power are you knowing that you're tired. By what electricity is that? Go always on that. You'll catch straight Shiva. That's the God that I am. But why do I not know? Because I've slipped that side. And I believe I am someone else. So I refuse to look into the light. So instead of looking where he actually is, Shiva, I end up looking in all other direction. I search him in the temples, I search him in the mosque and church, I search him in the stone and idols, I search him in the photos, I search him in the Guru Padukas, I search him in the yantras, I search him in the holy waters, I search him on the hill. Too early to say that. फर्स्ट बैच के लोग अच्छे थे, वो रिट्रीट में जो आए थे. आई टोल्ड देम जोश में, कॉन्सेप्ट में. आई सेड इवन दिस हिल इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट. दे सेड इट्स टू अर्ली सर, डोंट से सो अर्ली, मजा जाएगा. वेरी ट्रू इट इज. लेकिन एज शिवा सेज, इट इज नॉट इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड मी, सो आई विल बिकम दिस हिल. दैट इज हाउ यू बिकम द ज्योतिर्लिंगस. That is how he became the Kshetras. That is how he became the elements. Vayu, Agni, Prithvi, Akash. और सबका एक एक देवता बना फिर. वरुण देवता, अग्नि देवता. And we started worshipping those. क्यों? क्योंकि वो tangible है. Started worshipping idols, human bodies, avatars. Somebody asked Ramana Maharishi, why am I fond of your body? शरीर के पीछे क्यों इतना मोह क्यों? He only said, if you have body consciousness, you can only see the body of the Guru. If you reduce your body consciousness, you will automatically reduce your moha with anything outside. See, सूत्र है, simple straight सूत्र. मोह कैसे घटाए, wrong identity कैसे घटाए. Simply it tells, give up here that identity, automatically your identity from there will go. ये मैं शरीर नहीं हूं जितना जानोगे उतना आप वहां बोध होगा कि गुरु भी शरीर नहीं है, शिव भी शरीर नहीं है. They're all projections. I told our gods also are our mental projections. हमारे शिव देखो कितने अलग अलग रूप हैं. किसी को बॉडी की वासना है, उसको अगर 8 पैक्स बॉडी में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, उसका शिव भी 8 पैक्स वाला होता है. You have seen? If you have a 8 pack body, you are a muscular body, your Shiva also becomes a muscular man. If you are interested in keeping a mustache, your Shiva will grow a mustache. All our reflection that we project, this is called projection, vikalpa, vikshepa बोलते हैं इसको, विक्षेप, कल्पना, imaginations, we project. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was given the secret that you are projecting Kali Mother in your mind. Nama Rupa, she is not that. But he said, nahi, wahi hai. Because that concept is everything. He was not ready to give up the concept. Totapuri came and asked him to break that. How? With a sword, talwar se. And Ramakrishna asked, you want me to cut the mother? Impossible. He said, you have to, because that's a concept. Your vikshepa only is keeping you far from the mother. That is why you are crying. एक कर दो. एक के भावना के बावजूद भी he has her in his heart, in his mind. Still there is separation. Why? Still looking at the mirror. Mirror is not real. The one who sees is real. When you stand in front of the mirror, though your image looks accurate and real, is it real? It is real because you are real. Because the Shiva is, that is why only Shiva is real. What Ramana is telling, Papaji also. Krishna is appearing in your mind. It is a mirror. It's a reflection. It's a concept. Find that which is the real one which is looking into that mirror. Ramakrishna also is looking at a mirror. Totapuri comes and tells you. Break that mirror. How to break the mirror? How to break mother? By another mirror. By another concept. Take out a sword and cut her. And Ramakrishna says, where shall I take the sword and cut her? Where will I get the sword? And Totapuri says, the same place from where you got the mother. Mind. She is the projection of the mind. Take another projection, another concept and cut that concept. That is how he takes another vikshepa, another concept of the mind, projection of the mind, and cuts one projection, cuts another projection, and there is an explosion. Everything explodes and he enters into 3 days of Nirvikalpa Samadhi. That is where he has realized the mother. Completely non-dual awareness. Where he becomes Lalita Tripur Sundari. Third state. First state is Ma Lalita is outside in a yantra. Second is she is within me. Third is I am only that. Shiva is outside of me, in that hill, in that yantra, in that Shivlinga. Then I grow and I say, no, Shiva is within me. Shiva Manas Puja. I start worshipping myself now, not that yantra. And after worshipping myself for a long time, I realize I am only that. I keep looking at the mirror thinking it is me. Constantly looking at that mirror and thinking it is me. I keep worshipping the mirror. I throw flowers at the mirror. But who's the real one? Here. That's how I realize I am the real one. That is Shivoham, third state. The 3 steps that I talk towards self-realization. 3 steps. Find out where you are. इसको गति बोलते हैं. This is evolution. If you find you are still in the first one, then you must progress to the second. If you are in the second, then you must make efforts to go into the third. Like Ramakrishna also went into the third. The थर्ड इज डिफिकल्ट, इट्स नॉट इजी. इवन अच्छे अच्छे लोग उसमें फंसते हैं द्वैत का. Mahaleshwari is Guru. Mahaleshwari's Guru was in the Dvait again. You can see Ramakrishna's stature stuck that level. He needs a Guru to remove that. And here, Mahaleshwari's Guru needs a Guru through the form of a Shishya. गुरु एंड शिष्य लर्न इक्वली टुगेदर ऑलवेज. कभी ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक ही ऊपर से जोर लगा के नीचे. इट इज ऑलवेज रेसिप्रोकल. एवरीथिंग इन दिस यूनिवर्स इज यिन यांग, रेसिप्रोकल. एक कोई कमांडिंग हो नहीं सकता, एक डिमांडिंग हो नहीं सकता. देन इट्स नॉट बैलेंस्ड. एवरीथिंग इज रेसिप्रोकल. विदाउट शिवा देयर इज नो शक्ति, विदाउट शक्ति देयर इज नो शिवा. Without Guru, there is no Shishya. Without Shishya, there is no Guru. Both complement each other. See, there is a relationship of Ramakrishna and Totapuri. Ramakrishna is of such great stature. और उनका गुरु आ गया. कोई मानेगा क्या? बोले मुझे गुरु की आवश्यकता नहीं, माँ मुझे दर्शन देती है. Why do I need another? But he is humble because he is telling the mother, tell me the answer. And there he comes. And he knows his mother's answer. So he accepts and he says, you tell me. That is how he tells me. और जब वो उनको बोलते हैं, ज्ञान देते हैं. Look at this equation now. Totapuri is like the Guru and he is commanding him. करना है तो जल्दी करो, otherwise I'll go. You're not listening. You're not ready to break. You're so fond of that image. And Ramakrishna says, I'll do it. Because I know you are the answer of the mother. I'm praying and you came. I know she only ascended. I will listen. And when he listens, when he has that non-dual samadhi, one, दो है ही नहीं, one मतलब गया, everything विलीन हो गया, निर्विकल्प समाधि. विकल्प ही नहीं है उसके अंदर, निर्विकल्प. 3 days when he is in that state and he's slowly coming back, Totapuri is waiting there, looking at him. When he comes out of trance, he sees Totapuri still there and he falls at his feet and says, thank you so much, you gave me this experience. Gratitude. And see this equation, Totapuri he bows and says, I must bow down to you. I've never seen a man like you. Whole life what tapas I have been doing, you attained it like this. पूरी जिंदगी मेरी गई साधना करते हुए ये स्थिति लाने के लिए. ये आपको जो हुआ है, and right in front of me you attained it like this. You are not an ordinary man. See, the Guru is born from it. They both are learning from each other. This is how the cosmic intelligence always fixes things. It is never one-sided. दोनों का एक facet होता ही है. That is why Laleshwari Ma's Guru also, he is Dvait, he is doing Linga Puja every day, Shivling Puja. And one day Ma comes and sits next to him to pass urine in the temple, and he gets angry and he says, go on. Can't you see this is a holy temple? Sacred Shivlinga. How come you pass urine here? Go there. And when he takes her out and makes her sit there, and wherever she's passing urine, there is a Shivlinga coming up. And the Guru is shocked. He has a realization. By that act of a Shishya, he has a realization of Advaita. He understands he's stuck. Who gave him that understanding? The Laleshwari Ma. But all these people, they didn't do it on their own accord. Mahaleshwari did not plan and come and do that. It happened. तो कौन है वो जो करवाता है? कॉस्मिक इंटेलिजेंस. ये करता नहीं है इसके अंदर. तोतापुरी में करता नहीं है, मालालेश्वरी में करता नहीं. Happens. Gorakshnath Matsyendranath, great relationship. Matsyendranath is such a great guru, and he forgets. Bhatak he falls in love with a prostitute. and he starts visiting the dancer. Gorakshnath becomes aware, my guru is going off track, and he goes so disconnected, Matsyendranath Guru, that he's spending time there with the dancers. So much that Gorakshnath has to वेशभूषा change करके, he has to go like the drummer, ढोलक बजाने वाला, and then he goes and sits in disguise, and while the dance is going, he's banging with the rhythm, Jag Machendra Gorakshaya, Jag Machendra Gorakshaya, the sound he creates. That is when Machendra awakens and he realizes, oh my God. Immediately he gets up and leaves the room. So this is how the whole complement happens. Everything is together. Nobody can say somebody is greater, somebody is lesser. I cannot say I'm teaching you something I great. No, I learn. That's what I told you. We must always keep learning. Even from the one who's teaching or the one whom we are teaching. Many ways. We have to keep our attentiveness open. Because consciousness is the same in all. They are playing different roles, that's all. तो वही यहाँ बोल रहा है, जो खाना इला शबूर में जगमगा रहा है, वही खुदा है, वही शिवा है. Why am I searching him here and there? Which God am I searching for? That illumination, that consciousness itself is God. And where is that God? That illumination is not outside. It's coming from me. The secret is here. If I don't wake up in the morning, the samsara does not wake up with me. इस बात को समझिए आप. मैं अगर उठा नहीं, संसार नहीं उठेगा. ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि मैं उठा नहीं और संसार उठा? You might say संसार तो सुबह से उठा है. आप 8 बज गए, you have not woken up even after it's 8 o'clock. But संसार तो 6 बजे उठ गया, 5 बजे उठ गया. But who's there to see that संसार? How do you know वो जगा हुआ है? जब तक आप जगेंगे नहीं. 8 o'clock you will come to know कि संसार जगा है. Do you know at 5 o'clock it जगा है? नहीं. Till that light is there, your samsara is there. Till it comes out, till the light comes out, till it is there, there is no problem. But the moment it comes out, it illuminates your koshas. It illuminates your mind, जिसके अंदर विचार है. It illuminates your indriyas, your eyes. Your eyes can see because of roshni. This is the organ which is taking the pictures. But what is giving this electric supply to it? That is that light. That is Prakash. That is Shiva. हर तत्व में हमारा शिव है. You have to focus on that. Here and now. बार बार लगातार. Then you will get there. So देखो ये सूफी गाना है. It's just saying, in the deep unconscious realm, the light that shines, that is खुदा. इसलिए मुझे इतना पसंद है ये गाना. So deep. So then it goes like, so instead of searching in the right place, I search him in the wrong places. So it is telling,
तलाश उसको न कर्बतों में, वो है बदलती हुई रुखों में.
तलाश उसको ना करवतों में, पत्थर में और मूर्तियों में. Don't search him in the images and in the idols. वो तो है बदलती हुई रुखों में. He is there in the changing seasons. वो सीजन जो चेंज हो रहा है, बारिश, कभी धूप, sometimes sunshine, sometimes winter, cold, sometimes heat. Who generates heat? Who generates that coldness? Who makes ice? Who makes it fire? That cosmic intelligence, वही है. it says,
तलाश उसको न पर्वतों में, वो है बदलती हुई रूहों में, जो दिन को रात और रात को दिन बना रहा है, वही खुदा है, वही शिवा है, वही शिवा है, वही शिवा है,
जो दिन को रात और रात को दिन बना रहा है. The one who creates the day to night and night to day. That itself is